Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we make things simple and easy. In today's video, we'll show you how to know when your SHEIN package will arrive in a quick and clear way, so you can track your order without confusion. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the SHEIN app. Make sure you are using the latest version, because older versions may not display the tracking details properly. This ensures you get accurate information on your package's progress. Step 2. In the menu, look at the bottom of the screen where you will see the Me option. Tap on it to open your personal profile menu, which contains all your order information and account details. Step 3. From the menu, find the View All option. Tap on it to open the full order menu, which gives you access to every order status in one place. Step 4. In this menu, you will see all the available options such as All Orders, Unpaid, Processing, Shipped, and more. These categories help you quickly locate your order based on its current stage. Step 5. If you don't have any orders yet, don't worry. Go back to the home menu, find a product you like, and tap on it to open its details. Step 6. Select your preferred color or size, then hit the Add to Cart option at the bottom. This saves the product for checkout. Step 7. Tap the cart icon at the top, choose the product you want to order, and then hit the Checkout option at the bottom to proceed. Step 8. This part is important. Set your shipping address and shipping method, choose your payment method, and if you have a coupon, apply it. Follow the instructions to place your order, and that's it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.